guys? It's been a little minute since I said hi to you guys. I know I've been kind of silent for the last few months with street racing videos here and there, but there's not really been a whole lot going on with me other than a few medical emergency issues that I had. But I'll give you guys an update finally on what's going on with the car. So I'm gonna turn this thing around. Yeah, I'm getting ready to put my street wheels back on. You're asking, well, why are you doing that? Well, so things have progressed quickly with this car. So let me just go and show you what's going to happen. So we've got this Whipple here, you guys are fully aware of, with the custom plates. This has actually been sold. It's going to HPJ here in about a few hours. So I'm gonna swap this on. I need to pack my Honda with. There's a key member in that box, and then I gotta dig down all of the parts from over there for this car and bring it all there. So that's pretty much what's going. So yeah, this will have a Hellion sleeper kit here in about maybe a month. Probably take a few weeks. It's scheduled for the 25th, but the owner of HPJ would like to have the car a few weeks early so he can start yanking everything of it off and getting it cataloged and all that. So I will have currently a 10 rib kit for sale. I do think I have a buyer, so I mean, obviously, when I pull it off, he was the first person to say I want it, so it's his. The other thing that I will have for sale, if one of you guys do want, I already posted on Facebook. I got a bunch of idiots that think it's worth about 200 bucks. They can kiss my ass. I will have an ice tank. I will have all the lines that are built with it, all the bulkheads that come with it, because we wanted to make it look factory. These lines run from here up to the supercharger. I mean, they run underneath the car. There's bulkheads there as well, and it runs basically to the blower. Basically, it runs to these two lines here, and that will be available if you're interested. I have it for about $850. I know the tank new is $650, but then once you consider all the lines and all that, I mean, I think that's a pretty good deal. I think Beefcake has them for like 1,400 bucks. So if you want a TIG Vision ice tank, hit me up. I will have it on my Instagram. I'll have that posted at the beginning of the video, and I will have a 10 rib kit, but it's probably sold. I don't have that much left after that. Stock parts wise, I may have a stock 350K member if somebody needs it. I will have it. It's probably expensive to ship, but that's that. Yeah, so that's what's going on. It's gonna have 62s on here, the upgraded 62s. So I'll have a boost leash and all of that. So we'll see what's going to happen. So yeah, basically I'm just demodding this car and going from there. I'll talk more about it. There's some other pieces that's going on, tuning wise and everything else. So once I get to that point, I'll let you guys know, but that's kind of where I'm at, where this car has been and why there hasn't been a whole lot of content. I've been basically saving money, and the ball started rolling a few weeks ago. And yeah, I was expecting to do this in December. I wasn't expecting to do this in mid-September, but it's where we are. So any questions, man, put down in the comments. You know how that kind of goes. Thanks, guys. See ya.